Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, G Man? History? How you doing? Nick? Good morning, Liv. Fabiola? Max? Well, everyone have a good fourth? Mine was relaxing, so I'll take it. Had a nice, relaxing fourth. What did you get into? What's up, Bill? How you doing? I'm currently sharing the live if y'all would like to help. The skydiving went nice. Went well, Ryan. I do want to try it once. I mean, it's not something I'm just thrilled to do, but it's an experience I would like to try, or have. Good morning, Beck. Good morning, Ashley. Good morning. Good morning, Alexander. Who am I missing? Okay, all the lives are shared on my end. Has everyone shared the live for me? All right. Let's see. Where we What we think about this Asia low for a bounce, everyone? JP says dump incoming. What do you see for that you think we're gonna dump? Just curious. What's making you think that, JP? Good morning, Jer. Trades. Good morning, Esteban. Let's talk to Team Bull for a bit. All right, Team Bull.
Now, promoting on Norway. So is Grizzly with Erling Haaland. Gene, I'm talking about you.
Good morning, Team Bull. For those just joining, see if we can have a nice week.
Will you get another cup of water, Gene, like a big, one of these? Needs more water.
I'm watching this area here, Team Bull. You can see it on my chart for a bounce. Other than that, I'm just gonna wait.
What are you watching? I can't see it.
This zone that Grizzology has here, this hourly demand, 725 to 683.
right below Asia low.
Yes, right at it here. That's what I'm watching. That zone we've made there.
Yep, right. It is right there. Right at that Asian low. In the pivot right there too. Could be something.
Could be. We got FOMC minutes on Wednesday, I believe.
See, it's gonna start pumping.
All right. Good luck today, Team Bull. If I take anything, you will know.
Like that.
Oh.
Fire on. I'm on the stream so it sounds like I'm peeing.
All right. Well, see what we can do today. Good morning. Good morning. You all can share the live. That would mean a lot. But I'm just ready to trade. Got some travel this week, but like I said, I will be trading with y'all every morning with no bad luck. Yeah, we had a winning trade on Friday. A little sushi money. Little sushi money. Chill out, market. We don't need nothing crazy until 15-minute range gets in. Don't go up yet. We want further down. Wrong way. Well, for those just joining, how was your 4th of July? For those that celebrate it, if I missed you coming in, I don't want to miss out on any good stories. Yeah, does everyone still have all their fingers, toes, accessories? I did not shoot the. I didn't shoot fireworks this year. I just sat in the backyard, watched some around the neighborhood, but that's about all I did. Had a nice, peaceful 4th. You went to your first drone show. How was that, Charger? You ate hot dogs, Josh, all day. Your goddaughter's 13th birthday night. what everyone eat. I didn't eat really. I can't remember what I had honestly on the fourth. Wasn't anything or out of the ordinary. Sipping some coffee this morning. What's everyone else sipping on? This is definitely a coffee type of morning. Good morning, Oscar. Is it what, Dan? I have no idea what you're saying. Is your coffee no your coffee your coffee? Is your coffee no good? Yeah, that sounds scary, G man, for sure. I don't even want to think about that. I have a feeling I'll be dealing with that very soon. The kids learning to drive. Oh. TikTok, could you run up the likes and stuff? Share it. Let's get some people in here. I'm not sure what you're talking about, Dan. You're just trying to learn. Is that what you're saying? You're trying to learn. Just sit back, ask questions if you have any that I can understand. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Good morning, Madeline. How are you doing? If I could quit yawning. I'm giving everyone yawns here this morning. I'm gonna have to wait on that, Danny. But if you take it, I hope it prints, man. You have to wait till we get out of this range. I'm gonna go normal size for the first 2 days this week, but then I'll be traveling, so I'm gonna be going light size, or maybe just trade my evals. I don't like to risk much money on vacation these days. I just don't want to mess up my discipline. I've made some big mistakes trading on vacation heavy size. So nice, man. What's up, Win? Oh, the sell off. Gotcha. Good morning, Naya. How was your weekend? What about you, Win? Have you said what you did over the weekend, or did I miss it? FOMC minutes on Wednesday, everyone. Not the actual meeting, it's the minutes, but still could be a weird day, so just be careful on Wednesday, okay? What am I thinking? I don't really have a bias right now. I'm just gonna wait till we get to our key levels, JP. And if we see the confirmation with delta and volume that we look for, we'll take a trade as long as there's not too much risk. I don't really try to guess the direction, especially not the first 15 minutes. Nice. I got a nice Airbnb for my trip this time. I usually stay in like a nice hotel, but I wanted my own pool, just to. I think that's what I'm gonna do my workouts in while I'm there. Just wake up, hit the pool for like an hour or something, laps. Oh, though I'm not crazy about swimming. Okay, headed to Florida. Yeah, and I got 2 trips this month, everyone. So I'm still trading with you all. Still gonna trade with you all. I have a nice mobile setup now. I think I finally have my mobile setup complete. Excuse me. Yeah, hopefully my flights don't get messed up again. If they get messed up this time, Nick said he's gonna come pick me up. So mobile setup is a laptop, but I got like the monitors that you can set on it. So it's got 3 monitors, and I have a spare one I can hook to it if I need 4. I'm just gonna take my phone. I'm still gonna I may have to stream. The only difference is I may have to stream from my phone on YouTube. Okay, for like 3 days this week, which is not bad. You all used to watch it that way, anyways. You all cool with that? I mean, I could set up OBS stuff on my laptop, but it's only for 3 days, so. Yeah, I know, man, but you gotta think. I'm gonna be on Zoom and Team Bull. Um, I'm not sure how the laptop would hold up with all that. Wouldn't you say? I mean, all right. Still below point of control, so downside's not out of question yet. Could very well sell off. I guess we'll see. That being said, I don't take trades based off what I think. We wait on confirmation, right? One last push to share the live, everyone. You have a group, whatever. Share it, get some more people in here. I need everyone using I need everyone getting take profit accounts this week. Use code Grizzly so we can get them free accounts. We're not doing as well as we did the beginning of last month. So if you use take profit, go to grizzlytrades.com. Use code Grizzly. They're still one of the best prop firms in the game. Actually, I'm not for sure if we do. Is PMI in 2 minutes? It's usually at 9:45, right? Do we have it this morning? The Asia high reject does look good. I agree. What do you all think? Um, Jack likes the Asia high reject, and I like it as well. As long as we just don't rip through it, on high volume, of course. It's about to drop then. 5 seconds. Which way will it go? Will it rip through point of control? Service PMI and business service PMI. Finally getting above this point of control. We're at previous day. Little resistance there. Let's see. These volume-based resistance could slow us down, but I would really like to see the two things here. Either we invalidate the Asia high reject and we take the orb strategy if we confirm on this candle, or we get confirmation on the Asia high reject for shorts. I'm okay with either. But if I was picking one, I'm not for sure. We don't. I don't like how that 30,000 is right above, right above previous day point of control, like 50 points away.
Range.
All right, Team Bull.
Set. What's up, Grizzly Glock?
What's up, man? A couple of things I'm watching here, Team Bull. I'm gonna watch this Asia high reject, but if we can get the orb strategy to confirm above this previous day point of control at 9:48, I'll possibly look for a long entry on the pullback. But if that doesn't play out, definitely watch this Asia high zone for reject.
Yep.
Oh.
High. Step. So my scenario one is I'd love to see a strong 5-minute orb close above.
Good morning, Austin. Welcome in, everyone. Make sure you hit the follow on the way in if you haven't already. Go live every morning, even on, what is it? We have 11 a.m. data as well. Jeez. Tomorrow's kind of a slow data day, though. Might be a little boring tomorrow, but hopefully nothing that's going to shake us out of trades at least. I have got to pack today and grab some shirts for the trip. Yeah, Adam, I've seen that. It's wild, right? USA plays a 8. With no bad luck, I plan on being asleep by 10 tonight. Heading to Florida. Heading to Florida. South Florida. Well, not Miami South, but close. This candle wants to be high volume breakout candle, but it needs to get it together here. Kind of ugly at the moment. Alexander, are they cheating? I haven't read what you're talking about, Alexander. I'll have to check it out. I don't keep up with soccer, so. Not that I didn't enjoy watching that last game. Danny, what was the delta on this? Three. I like the long entry here, but how do we feel about this? Kind of an ugly candle. Well, it's gonna go without me, huh? It looked great. I just wanted to discuss it first, and it just kind of went. I missed out on that one, I guess. Hesitated. Still like a pullback, though. Either way. Well, there's the Asia high. Let's see what happens up here. See if we get any confirmation. If it breaks above the Asia high, I have it turned on Grizzology. The wick would invalidate it, but you can also set at the close is what invalidates it. If we wick above this, I believe it should invalidate the zone for me at least, but we haven't yet. I just hope it don't sell off on one candle here. Oh no. Oh, don't do us dirty here. I knew that zone was it. We just got to see if it gives us an entry. Let's see. Don't bounce off this point of control. It's going to do some weird stuff here. Bounce off point of control. Flip. Go up to high day or something crazy. Watch. A lot going on here. The Asia high was it, but it didn't give me a chance to get in.
Yep.
We're just going to have to start taking out the touch of these zones, I guess, or these levels. What's the delta here on this candle? Jaden, do we have anything on Bookmap above?
Not yet. Man, it's gonna do that bounce. I thought it would. It just was higher risk with how that first candle formed.
It was quick too. It hit point of control and ripped back up.
If we close this candle higher, I'll watch for a retracement of this candle. We should have higher volume on it. It's gonna be close.
Not like longs here, but
We're gonna have higher volume. Kind of a tricky candle though.
it's gonna be ugly. One ugly candle.
We also are rejecting that 30,000 and Asia high. That's tough. This is a hard candle to long.
I'm gonna try some.
Try longs?
Yeah, light size here. Our stops, if we take it, our stops have to be at 919 though. So if you take it, that's your
This is the
stop.
area.
I'm in.
We're gonna move. This is the area. I was gonna say that 50. I wish the 50% retracement was a bit lower at like 940.
Yeah.
But you could. This would technically be the area from the 50% retracement. If we had a higher close here, if we would have had more aggressive buying here, I likely would have tried this retest down. But I'm in no rush to take anything here.
I mean, this was the retest entry for me on the orb. That's what I took. Grisology helping me confirm here. I'd like to see high day then some, honestly.
We have a decent amount of room if we can get above this Asia high.
Give us a good bullish tweet right now.
Do have a setup I like. We get a bit of a pullback to like 940. Try 940 with stops at like low risk, like 918, like right below this candle low.
I may add some with you down there. I like that.
Yeah, I think that's where I'll.
We pull
I'm
back.
gonna take longs. That's where I'll add.
We pull back. I'll add some with you there. I like that level. Add some more at least. Get a better position, I guess.
Yeah, we'll see, everybody. Staying patient. Staying patient on Monday.
He's in green a little there, but I want high day before it makes sense to even start trimming. For me, at least. You all can trim where you like. Just telling you what I'm doing.
I think there's a decent chance you get it. I won't be a part of the move if it goes, but I think there's a decent chance that you get it.
Could sell off here. It keeps hitting this demand. Right here's your area he's watching.
Watching it.
Just don't wait down to stop me out. I didn't get my second ad there, everyone. It breaks below that previous candle, everyone. I will be out.
I'm watching this, guys.
It may do
This
it.
is the area I liked.
Is the orb gonna fail? Retest on the orb at least.
This was the area I was watching.
It's gonna hit my stop. It breaks this candle. Still in as of now.
Let's see how this area reacts, everyone. Staying very patient here.
It got my stop. Looked good. Had a nice positive delta. Just broke below that high volume candle on the orb.
Staying patient.
That's unfortunate. Looked great. Looked really good. Still looks good. But it shouldn't have pushed below that candle. If it closes below this, we're heading down. Still like longs here. What's this candle confirm on the... No, I don't have enough time. No, that was a legit setup on the orb retest. First off, Grizzology confirmed that we had higher volume and we had a nice, strong positive delta. It's just a failed orb retest. We was in profits a little bit, right? But just didn't get to our trim spot. We can't scout 10 points for a 70-point stop, you know? Or 20 points. Where are we is up? Huh. Well, we got data dropping right now, everyone. You have to be careful with this data if you are in a different trade. I would still rip some shorts if it was just confirming that zone. Well, I'm still gonna look for another entry here, everyone. I'm watching closely. Watching closely. We're in a good area to catch a trade. We just got to get in and not hit our stop, wicking, chopping back and forth before making the move. See what we push down to. Our stop was here. Push down to 903. I'm not anything yet unless you see something. The only thing that made sense so far, to me at least, was the orb breakout candle. We bounced it. The breakout orb worked, but we typically like to wait on the retest if we can, and that's what we tried. Welcome in, everyone. Just looking for a setup. If you have a setup you like, drop it in chat. Let's talk about it. Jesus Christ. People working outside my window have been on my nerves the last 2 weeks, week and a half at least. I don't like the 1 minute chart. Too much noise for me. I think we could still get a nice trade here. Let's take a look here at this. See what this is telling. Kind of looks like a flag, somewhat, right? Could be flagging a little here. But it's not typical that it stops us out of a high volume candle. Like, I know it wasn't the prettiest, but it had a nice positive delta. Is Trump talking right now? Great. Man doesn't ever hush. Let's lock in here. I think we could have another trade very soon. I'm gonna talk to Jada and see what he's got going on. You see anything you like here, Jada?
Nope. I was initially looking potentially for a short entry on this candle here, but I still think we want to move up.
Yeah.
It's not sold on it. Even with this candle structure, I'm not sold on it.
Surprised we just broke back below that previous high volume candle.
Still think we want to move up. If we could get a nice high volume continuation candle here, I'm not sure we're going to get the volume. I think we're going to be just below. I'm seeing.
Jeez, what's
I
this
would
big?
potentially look for a higher low of like 960. Yep. What's good, everybody? Welcome in. Happy to be.
Well, if we can get some more volume on this candle, I guess we need to get above that 30,000 and validate this zone completely. Get it off the chart. I feel like that's going to be the best move. Is if we're looking for a long entry, if we confirm in this zone, I will take shorts. But if we invalidate it, close strong above 30,000, that's going to be where I look for the continuation move, the retest. Previous resistance, turn support type setup. As far as A plus setups, yeah, the Asia low and that. Is that what you're watching, Droid Man? Well, we didn't get higher volume. Want to break above this? If we try pre-market high again, where are we going to put our stops? The question. It'd have to be below 900. I'm back. Just now getting some movement here. I'm watching. I am watching. I'm sorry if I'm missing any question. I am locked in here trying to catch a trade with you all. Any questions or anything while we're waiting? Any topics we should discuss? You have not missed anything yet, other than caught a losing trade earlier. For real. There's not a lot of news tomorrow, is there, Droid Man? I thought tomorrow was like a low news day. I don't even know if we have any tomorrow. Light news day. I have to check. What are we thinking? Are we gonna try this pre-market high, or we want to be patient here? Pull back to pre-market high area. We're gonna try it for a bounce, or we're gonna be patient. You like it? People are liking it. So, see what happens. If we can even lose this 30,000, let's see. I mean, I want to try the longs here, but we didn't pump up enough for a retest for me yet. I was gonna look for that 30,000 Asia high retest, but we kind of closed below it, didn't we? Yeah, we did close below it on that previous candle, but we're still respecting the 30,000. But it looks like we're about to flush. Sure, I trust anything at the moment. Oh, yawns. There's just no. I can't take an entry. Doesn't match anything I like here. What would be the reason to try the bounce? You know, because I thought it was gonna go. Nothing's telling me we're gonna go on up. Yeah. Have a good one, Ashley. You and the goats. We closed below Asia high on the previous candle. Red volume. I don't see it. Can't take it, guys, girls. Can't take longs here. It just doesn't match my strategy. I don't know. No, I'm boring. Doesn't match my strategy. Now, if this candle had higher volume, we could talk. But it's not going to either. Yeah, Jaden took longs, but I couldn't take them with him. Just no strategy there for me. I'm sure he's seen something good, but nothing I could take. Now, if we could break up, come back and retest, possibly, I don't know. Confusing up here. Too much could go wrong. Too much not in our favor. Not enough confirmation. Look at the volume. What are we trading, guys? Girls, if you're taking trades, show me on the chart the trade you took, why it made sense. I want to know. I don't mean it rude. I'm just saying I want you to do good, right? I want to know what strategy have you back tested that's proven profitable you're taking in this area. That's what I want to know. We tried the orb strategy. It failed. We managed it right. We're waiting on another legit setup. So if you do something, it's not proven. Why do it? Why hurt yourself over? It may look, you can take a trade here, right? It may just rip, look great. But if you haven't back tested it, it doesn't, you're not going to be profitable doing it over time, right? Why do it now if it doesn't? Does it make sense? That's what I'm trying to tell you all. I just don't like people becoming, I don't like people messing up the discipline we spent all year trying to build together. That's what I'm saying. Hope it, I mean, at this point, either give us a nice pullback or give us confirmation to the upside. I'm telling you, yeah, I agree, Dad. If I take a trade and it's not a valid setup, I didn't follow my plan, that makes me feel bad the rest of my day. Like I just feel like I'm like going backwards, right? After all the hard work, I'm taking dumb trades still. I'm not going to do it. At least give us a high volume candle to the upside. That would be nice. Give us an entry based off that. That's what I was thinking, Alexander. You look at these candles, it's like flip a coin. Flip a coin. What are you seeing, Jay? What are you seeing that you like, man? I'm dropping something in Grizzology that's going to help you all with the becoming a better trader. It's coming very soon. Grizzology is the indicator you see on the chart, but it comes with a community, everyone, inside of WAP. I'm adding a new app in there for you all. Probably smart, champ. Probably the best decision right now. You just got it on Friday, Lance? Nice. Dude, I hate when it climbs on lower in volume. Give us a high volume candle. Let's get in this trade. What's ES doing? Let me take a look for you. I'll look on my phone. So I want to keep it on this chart I'm watching here. Oh wow, the ES orb did look good, but it's already hit for the most part. Be like 5 points behind the entry. Lowering volume still, everyone. This is not a long entry I like at all. There's nothing here. Let's be patient. This is setting us up for the trade I had, the path I had charted out here. We need higher volume. What would you all have done differently on this trade that we took earlier that stopped us out? Anything you see here? No, it looks good all the way around. I think we managed it right, mate. We could have put more risk on, put our stop below 900, but that was be even below the confirmation candle. The first high volume candle was the opening. Oh, you mean this one? I think we're gonna sell off at some point. Just reading this volume, I'm not for sure. Danny, how's this delta looking here? Oh, is it gonna be full bodied, high volume candle? No, it's not. Higher than previous, but still downtrending. Yeah, I never did add to my position. I was gonna take some if Jaden added, but we started selling off quick. I didn't add. I'd like to have a full size trade this week, given we was light size all last week. If it gave me a little more pullback, I may have tried some there. No. I know it's higher than the previous volume candle, but still, that's nothing. Still low volume in my book. Is he still speaking? We're gonna have to navigate our lives around Trump speaking. We probably never get to go live then, I guess. If that was the case. You're right, though. I'd probably chop till he's done, then rip one way or the other. Delta's flat. Interesting. Is the momentum over? Is this where we sell off? I'm locked in. I'm trying my best, everyone. I hate that the first trade of the week stopped us out, but Oh, honestly, Ryan, I agree. It is. It's very. Everyone might be sleeping off the 4th of July weekend hangover still. They may still be off work, the big guys, you know? Have you all noticed usually when we don't take trades or when we have to chop like this? Hold on one sec, my phone's ringing. One sec. All right, we're good. We are good. Where we at here? 30,000 again? Thanks, Mark. All right, finally. Going down. Get out of this area. Worst case scenario, we have some chop until Wednesday. FOMC minutes. Is that financial advice? Danny? Where's VWAP on QQQ? Let me take a look. Pre-market high. I like it. Danny, it looks good, for real. What's that volume candle there? The QQQ setup looks good. The volume on QQQ looks better today than the price action, at least. All right, Alexander. Have a good rest of your day, man. Hopefully, some good food. That's going. One losing trade to start the week, Matt, but we're looking for another one now. Oh, It's looking good for longs. It just doesn't make high day. It's been a little tricky this morning, huh? Don't go on tilt, everyone. Let's do this right. If you're feeling anxious, do some push-ups, walk, something. How are we looking there, Danny, on the delta? So we can't take the trade because strong delta here. Trump done speaking? Thank God. See if we get a actual trade here. Has anybody been buying any like gold, silver, platinum, anything like that recently? What's the best buy right now on that? I'd like to add a little more to my collection, you know. From what I've been reading, it seems like platinum's the way to go, but who knows? I don't know enough about it. Is gold cheap right now? Nice. Slip. Nice, Brian. I just don't see why we're pushing up still here. Looks as though we should pull back a little more. Just reading price action here. Even the stronger looking candlesticks have low delta, negative delta. Mhm.
One to one two right now.
And Q's not making it easy on
Damn.
me. Looking for another trade. It just not giving me any volume, man. You looking at anything else?
What?
You looking for a trade?
I caught that winner earlier. It's only 30, 40 points, but still a nice winner for Monday. And then I did not enter on this right here.
This?
So
Uh, yeah, they had negative delta there, man. It's making it difficult today. The only trade I liked is the one I tried. Gene trading this morning?
is Gene?
Yes, Gene trading.
Sure. Somewhere roaming around my house.
Cooking a steak.
Just put a magnet on top of the candle so it goes up.
I don't know. I may not have a feel for the market this week. Everything I see pointing down right now. I know we're climbing, but looks like we should be selling off here. Other than Beck said, flow was still bullish. Is it pretty heavy or what? Beck, what we got going on? Not that I ever look at option flow, but I mean, flow can be helpful, but I feel like it's one of the most useless things by itself. Flow. That's just my back testing. I just cannot figure out a way to use flow. Like you can use it as an added confirmation. Like it's one of them things that can be manipulated to a point. That's why I like Delta so much. I feel like it's really hard to mess with Delta. If you have a nice, strong, positive or negative Delta, tells the story, when candles can lie. Make sure you was I gonna say? Make sure you follow. Go live every morning. Hope it prints for you, Rumo. Shorts look better than longs to me. I agree with you. 100% on that. I've been saying all morning. Other than the trade we took after we made this move here, like nothing looked good for longs at all. But if it's just one of them days where we climb on lowering volume, nothing you can do. You have no edge, you know? Excuse me. Still have faith that we're going to catch a trade. Just going to have to get out of this chop. Careful with bots, everyone. Be careful. Don't click anything weird. TFS. Is TFS around? Rumor. Are you TFS? Rumo. Sorry. The same type of print. Text. Yeah, we got data about to drop. Doma had a losing trade on the orb. It stopped us out at like 22, I believe, and it pushed down to 903, then made the move we wanted after stopping us out. I don't think so, Harmon. 27 seconds until data. Still don't see entry, everyone. Be patient. Please do not be blown accounts. It is a Monday. We gotta stay disciplined. I know Mondays can be the most difficult days to stay that way because we've been looking forward to trading, ready to catch trades. It was uh peaceful. How was yours? I didn't do anything, but is there any sales on prop firms currently? Yes, there is. Tradeify and Apex have a good sale going on right now. Eugene, just go to my website, check them out, grizzlytrades.com. Does does Apex still have the legacy account available? I wasn't for sure whenever that was going to go away. The 4th of July sale should be going for Apex and Tradeify still. Go to grizzlytrades.com, check them out. If you don't understand how to trade prop firms, you're tired of risking your own capital, you want to learn about prop firms, download my free ebook there. All you got to do is put in your email, you get it, read it, it'll help you kind of give you the accounts I like as well. Teach you about them. Yeah, oh, they go away soon. If you go with Tradeify, the 50K Select is probably my favorite. And you can get 5 of them. If you're going to get more than one, get the 5 pack because they give you a discount when you do. Good morning, Cozy Works. How you doing? Nice. AJ, appreciate you using Code Grizzly. Is that what it is, Austin? Oh, I didn't see the activation fee with it. It's got the high activation fee. That makes sense. So, so $18 for the eval, and if you pass it, the activation fee on top of that. So still under 200 for the massive account. What I like about the eval being so cheap, though, at least if you fail, you're only losing 18, right? You don't have to worry about the funded, which I hope you all don't. Well, you're not allowed to trade them anymore, are you, Danny? That's what it is, right? Excuse me. Love or hate Apex, they're going to be around long after all the other ones are gone. I would not burn too many bridges with them. Love or hate them. Unless they all just retire because they're so rich, you know? Which I wouldn't hate them for that. I'm sure they're already there. 250K account. Yeah. Dome, yeah, I took a trade. Had a losing trade earlier, Dome. Still looking for another one. Good trade. Nitro, I would agree with you, my friend. Everyone forget the market was open today? Or was we right about the is seems like we're missing some OGs this morning. Emma's not around, huh? Who else? What's up, Beck? We usually stop. I mean, we usually stop on here between 11 to 11:30. If oh, the Stout Brothers gift, I got you. I know what you're saying. I say like 11 to 11:30s are normal time we stop. I just don't like stuff after that often. Occasionally I'll catch a trade if it's just has to be the best setup I've ever seen. Basically, Trump is gone, so now it's going to sell off or bounce. Either or, the move should come now. What are we looking for here so everyone's on the same page in case we catch a trade? Anyone? Half no cash guy. I have been trading single accounts lately, everyone. And I pay myself on Thursdays on weeks that we make a nice bag. Scooter, you calling it? That's true. They may be listening. No, it's 1800 solid. No trades right now, cowboy. I'm watching. I do a meetup in Florida, please let you know. I will let you know if I get to. Well, it's going to be business and pleasure, but if I have a free day, I will for sure. Good morning, Elite. Oh, God. Sosa and Emma out this morning. Be a little bit further. I won't be so close to you, Joe. A little further down. So, stomach is growling. Should we call it? I mean, it's up to you all. What do you think? We had enough this morning. Is it worth setting longer? Or? I don't see anything right now. I feel like it's gonna be on some games if we take anything in this area. I want to shorts is all I've seen. That's what I've been saying. Like I've seen no long entry from here to here has been no long entry. Only everything we've seen was saying shorts, right? And it's selling off finally. Do we get a bounce? I'm not for sure. All right, we can stay. I'm down. Excuse me. You lost 5 evals because you waited 7 days to activate them. Sorry to hear that. You had now, Austin, work to be done. What was the delta on this previous candle here? Had higher volume, everyone. That's the type of candle we need to look for. Had higher than the previous three, but still nothing crazy. Anything new, J Dunn? Anybody?
Nope.
Considering shorts up there, but I could tell we wanted to sell off by the volume. The way the volume was on that move. Just waiting on that to happen now. See if we can get a trade. Nick, was you trying to do something with that abbreviation of big body water? I see you there, Nick.
What am I thinking? You never reach chat.
That was a joke. Let's see here. Danny, QQQ's touching BWAP. You full porting? Don't full port everyone. That's a joke. Danny said he's full porting here at VWAP on QQQ. Listen, I mean, it's right at that pre-market high. It does look good, Danny. But it's just got that look like it wants to push on down. I don't know. I don't know. All right, TikTok. I'm going to have to end the live on TikTok because they put a restriction on the account. So I either have to restart or we can just start over in the morning. I was watching for a trade here, though. Just let me leave it on. Well, no, I have to. If I don't end it, they could mess with my account. So. I can, yeah. All right. See here.
Nope. Resets on pros and new pros. If you have an existing pro, it will not change. What do you think about this reversal candle?
I like it, man, but nothing's made sense this morning to me. Other than what we did here, we chopped like I thought we would. We sold back off. But now we had a red candle close for the reversal candle. For the continuation candle to the upside, rather.
This could be the higher low.
Could be, you're right.
It's a hard day to own a Belgian Malinois.
What?
I said it's a hard day to own a Belgian Malinois. Um, and we play we play Belgium in soccer today.
I have no idea what that is. Is that like a waffle? What is it? Are you talking about your dog?
Yeah,
Okay, yeah, it took me a second. Them are cool dogs. That one you have, if that's the breed, I don't know. I'm getting another dog, by the way.
I was telling everyone if Belgium wins, he gets no treats for a week. I will never be eating Belgian waffles ever again. Ever.
All right, guys, girls, I'm gonna call it. This is trash price section. It doesn't make sense. It's bouncing. It's gonna bounce, go down. I'm gonna have to call it here. There's just no trade to be made. It's giving us nothing. And I don't want to give you all another losing trade. The trade we took a loss on was a legit setup. All this here, trash. Just to be straight. So, I'm going to call it. Come back in the morning. Try again.